Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. The phrase for this week is kua reri. Kua reri. Kua reri, and that means, are you ready? Kua reri. And so it could be a thing that you could say just before you're due to take the children to school. Kua reri. Are you ready? Or any other time that you need to find out whether people are ready for something. Kua reri. And reri is a transliteration of the word ready. Kua reri. Kua reri. And it's not really saying, are you ready? It's just kind of like, oh, ready? Ready? So I thought that might be a good one to use this week, and hopefully you'll find that helpful. Remember that each phrase needs to be said a lot during the week so that you can embed it. And if it's too hard to take on another one the next week because it's not, the first one isn't embedded properly and becoming automatic, then don't start a new one until the previous phrases are automatic. That's the best way to learn. Ka kite.